Welcome to ProfitSoci's, your one-stop shop for all of your social media needs. ProfitSoci's is supercharged by AI. So it's going to be incredibly easy to start posting on your favorite social media platforms from this app. It's as easy as going to Account Manager, adding in your own profiles to any of our integrated platforms, and that's it. Up next, what you want to do is you want to go to AI Content Generator, select what you want to generate content for. So we're just going to go with, for example, Facebook here. We have some prompts. We can create our own prompt if we want to, but I don't want to. So I'm going to select one from here. I'm going to select this and features of profit. And done. We now have all of these really cool posts that we can select. And I'm just going to select one of them. And I have the post here. I love it. I can see it on all of these different platforms. And I can even select a photo to go with it. So you can see how we can add it to Instagram, X, LinkedIn, Reddit, so on and so forth. So all we have to do now is just select our profiles, when to post, and I'm just going to send it right now. I'm going to send it on to Facebook, and it should appear on my Facebook right about now. So if I now go to my Facebook, and done, we can see it right here. We can interact with the post, we can like, we can comment, so on and so forth. And this is all over the accounts that I've selected. So now going back to ProfitSoci's, it's not just about automating your entire work with AI. It allows you to schedule everything beforehand. So with AI, you can have a month of scheduled posts, so you don't have to do anything anymore. You can see all of your drafts right here if you want to write your own posts. You have an integrated file manager, so you can post and storage all of your videos, images, anything else you need for your social media platforms. You have templates for the AI to use. You can add more templates if you want. You can customize them to your own liking. And not to mention, you can create your own captions. So if you want to create your very own posts that you can save and upload, you can do that, as well as watermarking your own images. So you can see how you can change the side. You can make it more transparent depending on your needs to make sure that your images stay yours and aren't recycled by anyone else. And with integrated 24/7 support and in-depth training on how to use all of these awesome tools, ProfitSoci's is a no-brainer. So check it out right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.